I'm at college. Not really. I am visiting my sweet little there he is! Oh, he's so cute. We're gonna spend the day together, maybe go on a hike. Look. He's so handsome. He's my baby Jordy. My baby Jordy. Oh, you're so handsome.
Thank you.
Look at you. Did you get your hair cut recently?
Like
from your mom?
Yeah, 2 weeks ago.
Okay, totally up to you for our day's activities. Would you like to eat first? Go shopping first? I brought this special book just for you.
Children's hikes.
Okay, I'm gonna look up all trails. See what we're working with. Or maybe we'll do that when we eat.
Yeah.
Do you think we'll go on a hike today?
I mean, it just matters where we go because it's pretty snowy.
Here's the deal, dude. Your mom told me that your feet were cold last time you went hiking. Okay, we're getting you wool socks. You don't want to mess around with anything but wool.
Okay.
And then your mom said that you loaned your hiking shoes to a friend and they did not return them.
Oh, to Dante, those don't fit. That's why I gave them to him.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So what is she talking about?
I don't know. She thinks that they still fit me and they don't.
Because you cannot go hiking in Vans.
Oh, I didn't. Last time I went hiking in like Nikes.
Your mom said that you were hiking in your Vans.
Mm-mm.
But even still, hiking, Nike, they were athletic shoes. Right?
Yeah, I was just gonna get like boots or something.
They're not, yeah, you cannot hike in athletic shoes, Jordan. Okay, yep, it says it's easy, totally my style. 4.7. Elevation gain, 357. Perfect. You want to do that?
Yeah.
We can check it out. Okay. So, Jordan, do you think you're going to be doing a lot of hiking?
Probably not in the snow, definitely not. But once spring comes, I'll be hiking.
We went and got Jordy some these are his winter shoes. Whatever. I told him, because he likes to wear his Vans hiking, absolutely not. Abso-freaking-lutely not. And he tried them on in the store and he's like, whoa! I feel like a superhero with all this traction. No, he didn't really say that. He didn't say that, some of it, but we're gonna go for a hike now. And of course, my style, it will be dark by the time we are finished, but I am prepared. Headlamps. We have headlamps, safety gear, tents, shelters. Jordan went hiking last week with his friend, and what did you tell me that you had in your pack, Jordy? Can you tell me what you had in your pack?
Oatmeal cookies, waters, granola bars, and fruit snacks, and
Beef jerky.
Beef jerky and Chex Mix.
I said,
and gum.
okay. So
The gum wrapper, no, the gum wrappers is what helped us start the fire.
Oh, we'll get into that. And I said, so Jordy, that's only food that I heard. Yeah, I can't. It's too much. I'll just have to flip. No, Jordan, I'm gonna drive.
I'll go behind the 7-Eleven and then.
Listen, I know how to do this. I've been driving longer than you've been alive.
I'm telling you.
So Jordy showed me some pictures of his hike, and they started a beautiful fire. How did you do it?
It was so windy. It was such a pain to start, actually. But we were just walking back from the trail and decided. I don't even know how it happened. Like, next thing I knew, we had a fire going. It was weird. Like, I don't know how the idea of a fire came in our head.
Okay, but how did you start it?
So we got fat wood off a tree. So we were looking for stuff to like start it with.
Okay, go lady, it's your turn.
We were looking stuff to start it with, and I remember Rachel tell me about Fatwood.
He says his dad, but I'm taking full credit. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna go back and review that footage. I know I have it in some B-roll.
Well, I remember people telling me about Fatwood and that it lights forever. So I knew once we got the Fatwood lit that we could eventually start the fire. So the hard part was getting that part lit because it doesn't just light right away.
So what made you use the gum wrapper though? Because that's the only paper you had, or what?
Well, there wasn't anything like Tinder-wise because it was snowing.
Oh.
And there was snow all over the ground.
Did you guys, any of you have knives?
Kobe had like a little pocket knife.
Better than nothing. You can always get to dry wood in the middle if you needed.
Yeah, so we actually found like this birch tree that was basically dead. It was deadfall and it was covered by other trees, so it was way dry. And
the bark is great.
Yeah, that thing saved us because our fire was dead, was gonna die because we had it going good, and then since everything was so wet, our fire was gonna die. And then I found these sticks and I like pulled on them to see if they would break or like you know, like when you pull on them.
If it snaps easily, if it's brittle and dry.
And it just like snapped right off. And I'm like, oh my gosh, yes.
So one of my subscribers, Kim, actually, and this conversation reminded me of it. I have to do it, but you'll probably want to do it too, or maybe you already know of it. She told me that starting a fire with Doritos works great.
Really?
Yes. The Doritos, so you would still do it with like a match or whatever. I'm gonna actually give you some fire starter. I ordered some on Amazon and I got like 3 cases of, I didn't know it was so much. So I'm gonna give you some fire starting stuff and you can try it out with some Doritos at some point. I guess it's good kindling. Gross. Jordy, you can just drink some. Or do you have diseases now that you're in college? Are you gonna pass me something? Is that what you're worried about? What's the problem?
Who's honking?
Who cares? Maybe they know it's Rachel in real life. Hello, with Rachel in real life. This is kind of an outdoorsy area, so there might be people who watch my channel up here. Of all the 2 people in Utah who watch my channel.
You can see where they're located.
No, only because they tell me when I'm in the live stream. That's really all. So, anywho, yeah, we're gonna make Jordy use his new shoes, even though they're for winter time on campus.
That basically is what.
And we're not gonna say where he is or where we are or where we ate or anything or what trail we're gonna be on because nobody is gonna come and get my baby Jordy. Okay? He will always be, always. Okay, we love him and adore him just like all the others. Okay, we're gonna go to our trail now and do our thing.
That gum is strong. It's like coming out of my
We're on a hike. Jordan thinks he's equipped enough to not even bring a hiking pack. So Annie Rachel, of course, has us covered. I did give him a headlamp because he doesn't even have one of those. But this is a 4.7 mile round trip, easy hike. And sun is setting in about an hour. And then we'll have a little bit of dusk. Just remember, Jordan, that I am 21 years older than you, I believe. 22? Wait, you're born oh, no, I'm 23.
Yep.
Years older than you, so I'm hardy. Just kidding. So yeah, we're just gonna enjoy and be on this journey together. I think maybe they say petrified rock. Yeah, it looks like it. Is that a petrified rock tree?
Just looks like a sedimentary rock.
A hairy rock, huh?
Sedimentary.
Oh, sedimentary? So, Jordan decided because he's not well equipped that we should turn around and go for ice cream or cake or something, whatever. And that's what we're gonna do for Jordan and his precious little safety self.
For me.
Mm-hmm, for Jordan. And then but before, we're gonna test out his shoes in some water because...
I'm just gonna jump in.
No, it will get in the tongue, Jordan. Don't do that. I mean, we're going right back. But I did buy him some darn tough socks, lifetime guarantee, told him all about it. Yep, lifetime replacement. And so these are Under Armour Gore-Tex waterproof. So we gotta try it out down here.
I don't know.
We'll dip the toe. We're not even getting in the toe, Jordy.
I know, I'm scared. I don't want to walk.
Put it all the way up to the toe. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's as far as I would go. Careful with that tongue, man.
They're definitely like cold.
So you can feel the temperature, but not wet.
Uh-uh.
That's great.
Yeah, that's nice. This river would be fun to like float down.
I wonder if it ever gets higher. It's so clear.
Really high right now.
Jordan does not want a sweet. That's fine. Neither of us need it. So it is back to the dorms for Jordan to write an essay, finish writing his essay. He's a very proactive student. He only has a paragraph left, so that's very good. And I had a wonderful time. I'm gonna put a link, a card, and a link in the description for the first time I went camping with Jordan. You can see how big we both got, and how times have changed. So thank you for hanging out with me today, Jordy. I really loved it.
Can we take this road? I think we're on that bottom.
Sweetheart, there was no other road for us to take. You just sit there and you just relax.
We didn't see that deer.
Yes, on this side?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay.
Jordy, see, I'm a good driver.
See, look at that fire.
Anywho, I'm gonna be Jordan's backup, like his maybe 4th, 5th backup in case he doesn't have anybody to go backpacking with, because I will give it another try, but that's just like if he can't find anybody and if he's desperate. So anyway, thanks Jordy, I love you so much, and I'll have to come up again next semester.
For sure.
Okay, bye. Bye, Jordy.
Bye.
Such a distance, find ourselves so out of frame.